let's have a look at the ingredients. This is chicken 400 grams with bone, some oil, and 3 medium sized onions fried. Ginger, garlic, green chilies and coriander paste. 1.5 tablespoon of chicken masala. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Juice of half a lime and salt to taste. Now we'll grind these onions into a fine paste. We'll add them to the mixer jar. Here our paste is done. You can see how fine this is. Now we'll marinate this chicken with all these ingredients. First we'll add salt. Add salt as per your taste. We'll add this ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, lemon juice, chicken masala, and our fried onion paste. Now let's mix this everything. Make sure your masalas is well coated to the chicken. Now this is done. We'll marinate this chicken for at least 30 minutes. Now our chicken is been in the marination for 30 minutes. We'll add this chicken to the oil. Now we have added this chicken to the pan. Now we'll saute this chicken for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now we are sauteing this chicken for 5 minutes. We'll add very little water to this and then cover and cook this for 20 minutes more. I'm adding very little water so that it gets a steam to cook the chicken. Now we'll cover this and cook for 20 minutes. Now let's check if our chicken is done. I think this is done now. Let's remove this in a plate.